Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra, and today we will going to start with the chapter Letter Series. Letter series is not only important to find the missing next term, but it is also important for the chapters like coding, decoding, puzzles and input output in reasoning. Now students, as we start reasoning, we should know or we should learn all the place values of all the alphabets. As there are 26 alphabets, the first thing in the reasoning, we should learn all the place values of these alphabets. Like if somebody randomly asks us that on 18th number which letter comes, we should know that it's R. On 21 it's U. On 25 it's Y. On 6 it's F. So it's very much important in reasoning to learn all the place values of these letters, because in exams there is no time to count on fingers that which letter comes on which place value. So guys, it hardly takes 2 days to learn that which alphabet comes on which number. So please learn all these. Just try to write once or twice on your notebooks from forward A to Z and for in reverse order Z to A, and you will take only hardly in 2 days you will all know that which letter comes on which place value. So as we know that there are 26 alphabets in our letter series, and we can also divide them into equal parts. That is the first half series and the second half series. In first half series, there are 13 numbers, and in second half series, there are another 13 numbers. In first half series, there is from A to M. That is 1 to 13, A to M. That means A comes on first and M comes on 13. So we got to learn that A comes on 1 and M comes on 13. In next half series, there is N to Z. That means N comes on 14 and Z comes on 26. So we learn 4 place values: A1, M13, N14, Z 26. And like this, we have to revise daily all the place values of these 26 alphabets. Now we will going to start the questions on simple missing terms. Like we have given P, R, T, V, and we have to find the next missing term. Now P, as we can see that P comes on 16, R comes on 18, T comes on 20 and V comes on 22, as you can see in above given place values. Now if we see the difference between P and R, it's 2. If we see the difference between R and 2, again 2, T and V, again 2, and in order to find out the next place value, we have to add 2 in the place value of V, that is 22 plus 2, 24, and on 24 we can see that it comes X. So our missing term is X. X is the answer. Next we see that there is A, D, G, J, and we have to find the next missing term. A comes on 1, as you can see above on the given, D 4, G 7, J 10. First you have to write all the place values. That will going to make you easy, as you will going to find out the difference between them. A and D difference is 3. 1 4 difference 3, 4 7 difference 3, 7 10 difference 10. In order to get the next place value, we have to add the 3 in 10, that is 13, and on 13 as we have seen that it comes M. So our answer is M. Next, K, O, S, W. K comes on 11, you can see above, O on 15, S on 19, W on 23. Now guys, the difference between 11 and 15 is 4. Difference between 15 and 19 is 4. Difference between 19 and 23 is again 4. Now you have to add 4 in 23 in order to get your next number alphabet. 23 plus 4 is 27, and on 27, as there are only 26 alphabets and 26 is your Z, so 26 plus 1, 27. After Z it comes A, so A will be considered as 27. Our answer is A. Next we can see that there is a pair up series. In pair up series, we will going to find out the connection between the first alphabets, and then we're going to find the connection between the second alphabets. We can see that D, E, F, G. It's going on continuity. So D, E, F, G. After G there is H, Q, R, S, T, and after T there is U. So our answer is HU. Next guys, you have to complete the next 3 series in order to get your answers, and after getting the answer, please comment and write your answer in the comment section, and we will going to start our next, that is to find the opposite letter. Now in order to find the opposite letter in letter series, although there is no trick, but we have made a funny trick to learn this. As we know that the opposite of A is Z, B is Y, and C is X. The first 3 is very much easy to learn, so we will not going to make any of the trick for this. A is Z, B Y, and C is X. But after C, we got confused that what is the opposite of D. Now for learning the opposite of D, we can see that we can learn it as DW as dew. Do we drink Mountain Dew cold drink? So DW, dew. EV, we used to study a subject known as EVS, so EV, EVS. FU, we can learn it as oof, so it is FU, oof. We can easily learn it by this. Next is GT, we can learn it as GT, road. Next is H, the opposite of H is S, we can learn it as, we used to say like Sri Ram Gupta, Sri Vinod Rana and all that. So the short form of Sri is SH. So opposite of S is H and H is S. Next is IR. IR, the opposite of I is R, and we used to learn the IR radiations, that is infrared radiation. So IR, the opposite of I is R and R is I. Next is JQ. We can learn it as Jack and Queen. In play cards, there are 2 cards, they are named as Jack and Queen. So opposite of J is Q and Q, J. Next is K, opposite of K is P and P is K. So we can learn it as Amir Khan's movie PK. So it will become easy for you. It's just funny trick. Next is opposite of L is O. We see that ad OLX pe bech dal. So L is O, OLX. Now opposite of M is N. We can learn it as, because the series divided on M. So M's opposite is N. It is easy to learn. Next we will going to sort out some questions based on opposite letters. As we have learned that E's opposite is V. We have learned a trick EVS. So we can see that these are given as opposites. But if we see the first number, they are going in continuity. E, F, G, H. Next is I. If we see the first term, there is opposite term, opposite are given. So we need not to count the second term. We can easily write that opposite of I is R. We have learned it by IR radiations. Next is given that if CX is to DW, then then KP is to what? If we see that opposite of C is X, again opposites are given, and D is W, we learn it by Mountain Dew, and we can see that again there is a continuity. After C there is D. So after K there will be K is to 11 and 12 is to L. So here it will be L. Now we can see that X is to 24 and W is to 23. Means subtraction, -1. So we can see that P is to 16 and -1 is 15 and 15 is to O. We can see that it again become the opposite letter of each other, that is OLX pe bech dal. Next is your GT, again opposite, EV opposite, CX opposite, but there is again a connection between them. If we see the first letter, G is to 7, E is to 5, C is to 3. There is a difference of 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. And 3 minus 2, 1. Means A. Next is T. T is to 20. V is to 22. X is to 24. Means addition of 2. 20, 22 plus 2. 22 to 24 plus 2. And 24 plus 2 is 26. Means answer is your A, Z. Next is your Y, Z, B, A, V, W. If we see that again there is a connection, that is we can see that in alternate Y opposite is B, opposite of Z is A. Now if we go with V, opposite of V is E, EVS. So here the answer is E. Guys, in solving this series there is not only one method, there are many methods to solve the questions. You can solve as you find it correct, but there should be connection between the letters so that your series doesn't get wrong in examination. Guys, all the best and stay tuned for our next video. For finding out the more question, go to our website. Thank you.